President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. goes on the offensive against his predecessor, former President Rodrigo Duterte, during the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial slate rally in Davao, a Duterte bailiwick.
May pagmamalaki po natin na sila ay walang bahid ng dugo ng mga pinatay na libo-libong Pilipino nung extrajudicial killing. Mamimili po kayo kung tayo ba ay babalik. Kung tayo ba ay babalik sa panahon na gusto na ating mga liderato, ay ang Pilipinas magiging probinsya na ng China.
This, days after Duterte criticized Marcos for falling short of expectations in addressing the country's problems related to food prices, jobs, and security. Two of the three issues were among those cited by Filipinos as the most urgent matters that the government should address.
Kung mas mababa ang presyo ngayon ng pagkain, kung mas madali maghanap ng trabaho ngayon sa panahon niya, then doon ka sa kanya, doon sa administrasyon. Ngayon, marami kasi sila, ano dapat ang gawin natin? Patayin natin yung mga senador ngayon para mabakante. Kung makapatay tayo ng mga 15 na senador, pasok na tayo lahat.
Marcos also takes a jab at Duterte's joke about killing 15 senators so Duterte's Senate bets could all make it to the upper chamber.
Mahirap naman yung ibang tao. Ang iniisip lang nila, ang kaisa-isang solusyon sa lahat ng problema ay pumatay pa ng Pilipino. Nakakapagtaka kung bakit ganun.
Marcos also touched on pandemic corruption and the highly controversial Philippine offshore gaming operators that established operations in the country during Duterte's term. He mentioned the same issues against his predecessor during their maiden kickoff in his bailiwick, Ilocos Norte. It is notable that neither Duterte nor Marcos addressed Vice President Sara Duterte's upcoming impeachment trial.